So we recently launched a brand new feature on Santiment called Sonar, and it's something that we're really excited about. Sonar, which you can find here on the second tab over on your main Sandbase page, lets you create signals and receive notifications for all kinds of different events in the crypto market, and many of the signals are based on the metrics that we've developed at Santiment over the last 2 years. So in this first version of Sonar, we added 5 signal types, but more are already in the pipeline as we speak. The one that I wanted to show you today is called Emerging Social Trends, and it's something that you can't find anywhere else. We're going to go to Change Signal Type and go down to Emerging Social Trends. And in this case, we're going to go to Watch List. And backtracking really quick, I wanted to show you that right here on Sandbase, you can click on the How to Create a Watch List button to get a quick instructional on how to create one of those. And back to our new signal we're creating. This signal lets you get alerts when one or more coins that you're interested in shows up on our list of emerging trends. And another quick side note, if you don't know what emerging trends are, you can go to our tab here, Labs and Social Trends, and you can see them here. What happens is that every 9 hours, our algorithm takes data from more than 1,000 crypto social channels, so Telegram groups, crypto subreddits, private trader chats, etc., and it calculates the top 10 words that are trending in the crypto community. We call these emerging trends. So these are the words that suddenly got a huge spike in social mentions, meaning that for some reason the crowd is starting to talk about them a lot more than usual. So how can you use this? Well, we've often seen that when a certain asset shows up on this list of top emerging trends, this may indicate that a local top is forming and that there might be a nearby price retraction coming. Of course, I say may indicate, as this is definitely not financial advice and you should always do your own research before doing any sort of investment, especially in crypto. So again, going back to our new signal here, the reason why Sonar is so exciting is that you can now select any watch list that you've created. In this case, I just created a quick one and called it example. And I can get alerted anytime any token that I've put on my watch list has given a signal to be on the emerging trends list. And if you're holding a token that happens to be on your watch list when it hits emerging social trends, you can take a look and decide if you want to modify your position in it accordingly. So just like with the other 4 signals I'll briefly show you here momentarily, emerging social trend signals allows you to be notified via email or Telegram. And scrolling down here, you can also choose how frequently you want the notifications to actually fire for you. Additionally, whether you'd like it to be a recurring trigger by clicking or unclicking this box. Also, you have the option to decide whether this signal is intended to be open to the public or if you'd prefer to keep it private. Finally, you can name it whatever you'd like by giving it a brief description or simply by using the default name given here and click on Create Signal. And you'll see the signal you just created right here at the top of your Sonar list. Now, in addition to emerging trends, we can also use other features of Sonar that I alluded to earlier. By again going to Change Signal Type, we have the option of Price, which is a simple indicator to notify you when an asset's price moves a certain direction. Daily Active Addresses, which is coin's total amount of active addresses, which goes above or below a certain expected threshold over an expected time frame you set. A price and volume difference indicator, which is ideal for spotting divergences in what the price of an asset is doing and what the volume of that asset dictates it actually should be doing. And finally, down here at the bottom, we have a historical balance signal, which notifies you when a wallet's balance changes in a certain direction. If you want to try anything that I covered here today, go to app.santiment.net and click on Sonar in the navigational menu. Thanks, everyone.